If you are looking to step into an executive-level business with scalability, recurring revenue, and long-term growth, Jan Pro Franchise Development offers a powerful regional developer opportunity. As a Jan Pro Franchise Development regional developer, you are not just running a cleaning business. You are building and leading a network of franchise owners while generating revenue through multiple streams across your region. This model allows experienced professionals to leverage their leadership, management, and business development skills into a proven system designed to build equity, strong cash flow, and long-term enterprise value. Operating in the commercial cleaning and disinfection industry, Jan Pro Franchise Development is part of an essential services sector that continues to grow and remain resilient in all economic conditions. Regional developers focus on growing their market, supporting local franchise owners, securing commercial clients, and scaling a business designed for expansion and recurring revenue. The initial total investment starts at $127,500. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Jan Pro Franchise Development to your top picks and request the info pack now.